So in this tool section, under the product database, you see the arbitrage, wholesale, and dropshipping extension. I've already installed it, so you can just click on it. You'll get to the Chrome store and install it. I think, yeah, it's easy. So yeah, sorry, that's the Pro extension. That's the extension I'm talking about. Arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale, and dropshipping extension. I would, if I didn't find anything in the product database, for example, or I just found the idea because, for example, if I want to sell candles, but I need to find a particular product to sell if I'm doing online arbitrage. So I just put the word candles in the search box on Amazon. I pulled up the Pro AI extension, and what I do is I look at this column which says the number of sellers. I sort it and I skip the products that have just one or two sellers because they are probably private label. I also skip the products that have a lots of sellers because it means competition, high competition, obviously.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at those that have, yellow numbers, a 9 and 4, especially this one. It doesn't have too many sellers, but it's obviously an online arbitrage product. So I opened it, this one. Yeah. And so this is our extension and the calculator. How it works, it shows how many sellers of the new product, only new one, not used one, of different method of fulfillment, FBM and FBA exist right now on this listing. It says that there is no Amazon in the list of sellers, right? And that the listing right now, the buy box, belongs, this one belongs to the FBA. That's why, the price point is now in this box, buy box price.
Okay.
Yeah, this 40.99. And well, if you put the costs that you imagine you'd have selling this product, like, I just put 7, but let's put, for example, 8, you'll see that it would count the net profit for you, the profit margin, minimum net profit, with the minimum price this listing has right now among all the sellers, and the ROI. You can play with this calculator by putting another price and other costs, and it would have other figures here. If you don't know what this means, what these indexes, what they do, what they mean, we have a tooltip right here. What we also have here is showing the if the category is gated or ungated. In this case, it's ungated, but it's better to also check this particular product in your Amazon sellers account. But I'm sure if there are a lot of sellers, it's not gated. It doesn't look like something hazardous. I think it should be fine. So it's not private label. It doesn't have any hazardous materials. It doesn't have a prime delivery, which is also kind of, it's it can be good. Because those products probably can be sold better, but when they don't have the prime delivery, it means that you have some time frame to deliver. You don't have to necessarily deliver the product in a 1-2 days 2-day time frame, which can be hard for the sellers, especially who are FBM sellers, right? So it has an 18 product rank and estimated monthly sales. There's also this graph. You need just a few seconds for it to open. So this graph shows us the history of the rank, the Amazon price, if Amazon sell this product. In our case, it doesn't, so we don't have this gray line at all. It shows us the buy box price. So I'll just remove that. This, and show one by one. That's the buy box price. Let me show you the 6 months time frame. Yeah, it's kind of stable. It's just something happened in August. I don't know why the buy box price was higher. The FBA minimum price over the time, again, the history of this price, the FBM minimum price, Yeah, it looks like this. So the FBM sellers obviously have all the time they have a smaller price, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how it works. You can analyze different things, on this graph. There's one more thing. Yes, the rank drops
Mm-hmm.
in a 30 days period, 90 days, and 180 days. It's also useful information because when rank drops, it means that the sales uh, got even higher, even better. So those are the good numbers, good things.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If you're in different countries trying to order this product, um, you can have the Prime delivery option saying yes, because it depends on the address, on the account, and well, this product can be eligible for Prime delivery in different countries for different addresses.